काय हॉस्पिटला पेशंटाक उधारी पातेना जाल्ल्यान मेडिक्लेमा खाला हॉस्पिटलांनी ट्रीटमेंटाक वचपी गोंयकारांक बिलां बोल्सांतल्यान भरची पडटात। टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटलूय आता क्रेडिट पातेना। आदले पेमेंट अडकल्ल्यान काय म्हूण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी बाबून थाराव हाडलो। हेल्थ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा खात्याची टीम टाटाच्या मॅनेजमेंटाक वचून मेळटली। मेडिक्लेम सेक्शन लेटर रोखडेच मेळटले। हॉस्पिटलांक क्रेडिटाक पातेना जाल्यार आपल्याक सांगचे।
जे मेडिक्लेम जे विषय हांवें जो रेजोल्यूशन हाडला इतलेच खातीर किंवा रेजोल्यूशन जे हाडपाचें कारण की मेडिक्लेम जी स्कीम जी आसली ती खऱ्या अर्थान ज्यांचे फायनान्शियल कंडिशन बरी ना, ग्रामीण भागाचे लोक आसता, गरीब मुली आसता, तांकां खंय तरी भायल्या हॉस्पिटलांनी उपचार वयची पडटा, तेन्ना तेजे कडेन तितले पयशे आसनात आनी हेका लागून ह्या उद्देशान ही स्कीम सरकारान काडली। पूण आतां अशें घडटा की हांगा मेडिक्लेम सँक्शन जाता, सँक्शन लेटरूय मेळटा, पूण ते लेटर जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलांत घेवन गेले उपरांत बॉम्बे वसा, केएलई वसा आनी खंय वसा, पूण ते हॉस्पिटल घेवपाक तयार नासता। ते म्हणटा कितें पयलीं पयशे भरा आनी मागीर ते जो पेशंट आसा तो ह्या वटेन त्या वटेन धांवून तेजे कडेन कांय तेंची कॅपेसिटी आसना आनी मागीर ते खंय तरी सगळ्या कडेन सान ह्या वटेन त्या वटेन एकठांय करून पयशे ते एकठांय करचे पडटात, मागीर ते रिएम्बर्स जातात। जे हॉस्पिटलांचे जे की तुमचे उरलेले आसा जेणे घेणे ते कंप्लीट करा आनी हांकां ही स्किमी जेन्ना जो मनीस वयता ताका ही फॅसिलिटी मेळपाक जाय।
We don't have these facilities with us. We don't know when we'll make these facilities available with us. I have been persistently writing different letters regarding 3-4 cases, but it takes so much time to get replies from your departments. Each one has its own powers. Don't make people run around for a scheme. First of all, they are troubled, their health is not well, their loved one is not well, their daughter. I know of a small case, a 3-year-old girl. 3-year-old girl whose mother has been dancing from here to there, and I have been trying to help her. I have helped her financially to somebody else, to me, that is different cost. But why do people come to you? Because people can't afford. People who are affording can come, will never come to you because of this system in your system. So kindly look into the overall procedure. See that these people are not tormented. When a particular medical scheme is by your hospital, empanel hospital is showing that it requires 6 lakh rupees or 8 lakh rupees, directly forward that application to the last person, whoever is empowered to give, and send a letter. Don't make them run pillar to post. Lots of things are there, Speaker sir.
What honorable leader of opposition is saying is that this credit facility should be made available to poor people. I totally agree with you. But then, if there is any specific case or any specific instance where this has happened, the government is paying attention to it. And in the last 2 months, we have been trying to see that what is the situation in every hospital that on paper, which says gives credit, whether actually they are giving credit. Second thing honorable member mentioned, just like this, as far as the Goa Mediclaim goes, is Tata Memorial. Tata Memorial is refusing to give us credit. We used to get credit earlier, but then there was to be some some payments used to be pending, as a result of which they stopped. So what I have told them is that immediately after the assembly session, make a small team of 2-3 of our director health services and Dean Goa Medical College and 2-3 doctors, so that they can go and visit and talk to the management there. At least up to 1.5 to 3 lakhs we are able to admit the patient and provide relief to him, because initial treatment itself he is unable to take.
लायटीच्या खात्यातलो एक्टिव्हिस्ट काशीनाथ शेटयेची विजिलन्स, मालमत्ता, CCS तशेंच आर्माच्या लायसन्साची IAS ऑफिसराक घालून स्वतंत्र चौकशी जातली। विधानसभेच्या हक्कभंगाविशयी चौकशी जाल्ल्या। 5 वर्सात हाफ डे धरून ताची 900 लीव्ह ऍप्लिकेशनां, 195 केशी चलयता। तो केन्ना NGT आनी कोर्टांनी आनी खात्याची काम केन्ना करतालो, ताची चौकशी जातली म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान सांगला। शेटयेचेर सरकाराचो धरबांद ना म्हूण काब्रालान प्रश्न काडिल्लो।
It is regarding one government servant by the name of Kashinath Shetty, who is working as a junior engineer in the electricity department. There are so many gross violations.
195 cases in 5 years, 459 leave applications. I am wondering when he was working for the government.
आणि हो खंयचो VVIP गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट, खंयची एक रिजेक्ट ना स्पीकर सर. तेंचे ऑफिसराचेर इन्क्वायरी करपाक जाय सर म्हाका, आनी म्हाका खंयचे पुलीस नाका, म्हाका खंय तरी IPS ऑफिसर तुवें घालपाक पडटलो स्पीकर सर.
त्यामुळे हांव खंयच्या तरी सिनियर मनशाक, प्रिफरेबली फ्रॉम ऑल इंडिया कॅडर ऑफिसर, ताका हे सगळे रिकन्सायल करपाक लागता विथ द एसिस्टन्स ऑफ विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट. ह्या व्यक्तीन कितें सरकाराचें काम केलां हाजेरूय म्हाका इन्क्वायरी करूंक जाय.
There is a case where he has transferred one gun license in his name. How can a government servant without a permission? There are so many things, Speaker Sir. That is one. Secondly, Speaker Sir, I want to know what are the bills since he was going there. How with his salary he could manage the accommodation in various different 195 cases in 5 years. I have also got in a reply his disproportionate assets. I am going to submit all this to you, Speaker Sir, but I want assurance not only in this, in every angle, Speaker Sir, this has to be found out.
His gun license will have to be also. So I am giving you promise on gun license. I will find out whether he can hold a gun license in view of that. Number two, we will carry out disproportionate asset complaint through ACB. We will carry it out independent CCS inquiry. I cannot tell many things because you have also moved a privilege motion against the person. Yes. So some investigation is a part of privilege motion. एकूय केस डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना.
त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना.
त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना.
म्हणजे
अधिकाऱ्यांचेर ना. खरं म्हणजे this itself makes a big case for filing.
ह्या मनशान आमकां भिरांत दाखयली. म्हाका म्हणल्यार तूं अमकें विटामीन दी नाजाल्यार म्हणटा तुजी एक केस घालता. आमी विटामीन आमी खंय दिल्ले तुका? तूं म्हणटा घाल केस म्हणजे 2 केस घातल्यो. हांव म्हणटा ह्या मनशाक सस्पेंड न्हू टर्मिनेट करून भायर उडोवपा तो. मुगो या सर म्हणजे 2 केस केल्या.
म्हाका खबर ना की चर्चिलूच सध्या विटामीन एम सोंपता म्हणून.
स्पीकर सर हेका लागून हे ऑफिसरांक सस्पेंड करपा जायना कित्याक तो ऑफिसरांक भिरांत दाखयता. देखून ते ऑफिसर पळय ताका लीव दिवपाक.
दीनदयाळ हेल्थ इन्शुरन्स स्किमी खाला जीएमसीतूय पेशंटाक बिलां लावपाची प्रक्रिया हेल्थ मंत्रालयाच्या पावड्यार चल्ल्या. कांय उणिवो आसात त्यो सुटाव्यो जाल्या उपरांत जीएमसीतूय बिलिंग सुरू जातलें. आनीक कांय बरीं हॉस्पिटलां आनी आनीकूय कांय उपचार स्किमी खाला हाडपाचे यत्न चल्ल्यात म्हण हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सांगता. जीएमसीत उपचारांक आतां चार्ज कित्याक करिनात काय म्हण काब्रालान प्रश्न काडिल्लो.
Speaker Sir, I have seen that the premium paid is almost 52 crores. There are claims, almost 7,346 claims, which must be valuing to around 25-26 crores. But from what I am given to understand that GMC was also part of the scheme. GMC has not raised claims. Why is that? Why is the GMC? Why is that? Do you require somebody else to do it? Or you appoint me, I will sit there and do. Do it properly. Why they are not doing? Tomorrow the insurance company will say, no, let me finish. Tomorrow the insurance company will say that no, it is lapsed, you can't claim now. Why are these claims not going from GMC? Because that was GMC, all hospitals are part of it.
मान्य मंत्र्यांक उत्तर दिवनी.
Question is उत्तर
चाललो न्ही.
Speaker sir, like the member said that already the total premium paid was 52 crores. Total claim received as on 27/2017 was approximately around 38 crores and total claims paid out is around 26 crores in 31 lakhs and odd. Total number of money paid out to government hospitals is for about 1,128 cases, which is around 7 crores, and private hospitals 19 crores. But be rest assured that whatever shortfalls are there in this scheme, or whatever modification, there are no, that you cannot say shortfall. This is a unique scheme which has been tried out, and Goa is the first state to try it out.
Goa, almost 34 hospitals have been, I don't say benefited from this scheme, but they have used their services in giving people of Goa have benefited from this scheme. The burden on GMC was supposed to be less, but the burden is still continuing because patients are still increasing. Speaker sir, 34 hospitals, I will not name of them, Apollo Victor, now Rajgiri, Dr. Gracias, Kampal Clinic, Chodnagar Hospital, all so many hospitals are there. Speaker sir, I only want to ask one thing from the Honorable Minister. Is such hospital, you have said that you will try to increase the number of hospitals by looking into the teething problems of whatever it is. But I want to ask you also, when you are going to do this, whether you will make a mechanism when these other hospitals and this hospital, because I have seen from the last 1 year experience that people go and reach in the evening or night, whatever time, they have the card with them, but they are unable to use it because the people in that particular hospital are not able to communicate to them that this procedure is there or not there. Whether such teams will be there or whether you will make this insurance company some sort of a call center or something where people can call and ask whether your PROs which are doing more work in GMC, whether you are going to make them work on this line.
We can definitely look at having a small call center set up where all these clarification and specifically all these hospitals that are listed, so that to make those hospitals also aware that this thing is available.
I have got a list of 29 cases which were rejected. That is one list, but there must be so many other cases which are rejected, which are not come officially to you. Kindly look into that, and whenever you are making the committee for looking, kindly include me so that I can give my inputs. I have a lot of inputs to give you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to assure the honourable member, if he sends me the list of cases, I personally will examine each and every case.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.